Namaskar friends, welcome to E-Spirit World Channel. Kamakhya Temple is a famous pilgrimage situated at Guwahati, Assam, India. The temple is located on the Nilachal hill in Guwahati at about 8 kilometers from the railway station. The Kamakhya Temple is dedicated to the Tantric goddess. Apart from the deity Kamakhya Devi, compound of the temple houses 10 other avatars of Kali, namely Dhumavati, Matangi, Bagulamukhi, Tara, Kamla, Bhairavi, Chinnamasta, Bhuvaneshwari, and Tripura Sundari. There is no statue, idol, or image of Devi in the temple, but in the corner of the cave in the temple, there is a sculptured image of the yoni or vagina of the goddess, which is the subject of worship and reverence. The temple of Kamakhya has a very interesting story of its origin. It is one of the 52 Shakti peeths. The story of the Shakti peeths goes like this. Once, Sati fought with her husband Shiva to attend her father's great yajna. Despite her husband Lord Shiva's disapproval, Sati had gone to attend the universal yajna organized by her father Daksh. Shiva was not invited and was also abused by Daksh. Unable to bear the insult, Sati committed suicide. When Shiva came to know that his beloved wife had committed suicide, he went insane with rage. He placed Sati's dead body on his shoulders and did the Tandava or dance of destruction. To calm him down, Vishnu cut the dead body with his chakra. The 52 places where Sati's body parts fell are called Shakti peeths. Kamakhya Temple is special because Sati's womb and vagina fell there. The god of love, Kamdeva, had lost his virility due to a curse. He sought out the Shakti's womb and genital and was freed from the curse. This is where love gained his potency, and thus the deity Kamakhya Devi was installed and worshipped here. Some people also believe that the Kamakhya temple is a place where Shiva and Devi Sati had their romantic encounters. As the Sanskrit word for love making is Kama, the place was named Kamakhya. Although little is known about the early history of the temple, the first reference to the place has been traced back to the Allahabad inscriptions of Emperor Samudragupta. The present temple was built in 1665 by King Nara Narayan of Cooch Behar. The main temple has 7 oval spires, each topped by 3 golden peaches. Pilgrims have to queue up at the entrance porch, from where they move slowly into the semi-dark sanctum. Images of gods and goddesses of Hindu pantheon are carved on the walls. The image of the goddess, along with other deities, is kept on a throne. Pilgrims follow the narrow alley behind the throne to enter the sanctorum. Inside, a short flight of stairs will take you to a small subterranean pool. Pilgrims squat by the water's edge and offer their puja. From here, they can see the symbolic organ that remains covered with a red cloth. Kamakhya Devi is famous as the bleeding goddess. The mythical womb and vagina of Shakti are supposedly installed in the Garvagriha. In the month of June, the goddess bleeds or menstruates. At this time, the Brahmaputra river near Kamakhya turns red. The temple then remains closed for 3 days and holy water is distributed among the devotees of Kamakhya Devi. There is no scientific proof that the blood actually turns the river red. Some people say that the priest pour 1 million into the waters. But symbolically, menstruations is the symbol of a woman's creativity and power to give birth. So, the deity and the temple of Kamakhya celebrates this Shakti or power within every woman. So friends, hope you will like this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topics. Thank you and goodbye.